Welcome back to our channel where we demystify the world of electronics. Today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone using solar power, the finite load of solar inverters and circuits. You see, these aren't infinite sources of power, they have a limit, and exceeding it can lead to serious problems like system damage and even safety hazards. Hence, understanding and respecting the load capacity of your solar inverters and circuits is not only crucial for their longevity, but also for your safety. So, strap in as we dive into the world of power management, shedding light on how to use your solar energy effectively and safely. And have you ever wondered why your circuit breaker trips when you plug in too many devices? It's all about understanding the maximum consumption of your electrical circuit. This is the maximum amount of power your circuit can handle without overloading. And why does it matter? Well, when you exceed this limit, you risk overloading your circuit, damaging your appliances, and even creating potential fire hazards. So, it's not just about keeping your lights on, it's about safety too. So what do we mean by maximum consumption in an electrical circuit? Well, simply put, maximum consumption refers to the highest amount of power, measured in watts, that an electrical circuit can handle without overloading. This capacity is not arbitrary, but rather it's determined by a few factors. First off, we have the size of the wiring. Bigger wires can carry more current, hence more power. Then there's the circuit breaker rating, which dictates the maximum current the circuit can handle before the breaker trips. Lastly, we have the electrical load, which is the total power consumed by all devices connected to the circuit. So, how do we find out this maximum capacity? It's often indicated on the circuit breaker or in the electrical panel, usually in watts or amps. And how about the total power of connected appliances? Just add up the wattage of all devices plugged into outlets or wired directly. Remember, the sum of the power from all connected appliances should never exceed the circuit's maximum capacity. Knowing the maximum consumption is one thing, but how can we prevent overloading? Overloading can be understood as a situation where the total power demand overshadows the circuit's maximum capacity. This imbalance can trigger overheating, inflict damage to your appliances, and in the worst-case scenario, even pose a fire hazard. Now let's dive into a few strategies on how to prevent this from happening. First, it's wise to distribute your loads evenly. This means spreading out your high-power appliances across multiple circuits to steer clear from overloading any single one. Second, consider using power strips with surge protection. These handy devices not only distribute power safely, but also shield your appliances from harmful electrical spikes. Lastly, if you're constantly wrestling with overloading issues, it might be time to consult an electrician about upgrading your circuit to handle higher loads. By understanding and respecting the maximum consumption of your circuits, you can maintain a safe and efficient electrical system. So, why does understanding your electrical circuit's maximum consumption matter? Well, it's all about safe and efficient power usage. Grasping the concept of maximum consumption helps protect your appliances and prevent potential fire hazards. By spreading out high-power appliances using surge-protected power strips and possibly upgrading your circuits, you can avoid overloading. These simple guidelines keep your electrical system reliable and secure. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to keep your electrical system running smoothly and safely. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small action from your side, but it means the world to us. Your support helps us know you're enjoying our content and motivates us to keep creating more high-quality, insightful videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and remember, your support keeps us going.